Welcome back. Thanks for watching. I want to thank all y'all for subscribing and commenting. I really appreciate it. The channel is still growing. As a matter of fact, this video almost doubled my subscriber count, so I really appreciate that, y'all. And so I've been working a lot here lately, and so I haven't had a whole lot of time to put out or edit a video for this car. I've been a little bit edited every day after work. So in this video, I'll show you how I installed some pulleys and water pump pulley, alternator, kind of got all that set up, and then I put down bars from the tie into the roll cage and go down to the front end to help stiffen it up a little bit and help it live. We'll see how long that lasts. So let's get to it, and I'll talk to y'all at the end. Everybody, so we have our bars welded in. We have a support bar here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld a piece of flat plate in between the motor mount and this bar, and then I'm going to weld this coilover shock to this bar here also, and I'll make some tabs and then weld it down to the axle. Alright everybody, so I've got the front part of the cage, front down bars. I don't know, I feel like this is actually going to stiffen up the frame more than it is going to help the roll cage. I mean, but at this point it ties it all together and makes it all more solid and more rigid, the whole frame in general. We got that installed, got the springs. Look, I actually like the way it sits. I was gonna swap the axle over, but I think I like the stance of it. You can see we got a little bit of clearance issues back here with the back tires. That will be in an upcoming video or episode of this car build. I already got a line laid out. I'm gonna go in and cut this and then put some conduit in here, so that the tires aren't rubbing. I'll show you on this side actually. You can see where the tires expand, it's digging into the tire a little bit. I got another set of slicks, but I have all the parts for the rear end to go ahead and finish putting the rear end together. I still need I'm gonna have to make some 4-link brackets. Really what I wanted to do was get the front end set up at ride height so that I can get my instant center of the car and kind of lay everything out and get all my bars level in the rear, and figure out where my anti-squat line and all that is. So I wanted to make sure I got the front end done first, and it's pretty well complete. I didn't weld in the from the motor mounts to this shock mount bar right here. I haven't done that yet. I will. I've just been so busy at work. We got the pulleys installed. Been doing some tinkering and tuning a little bit on the carburetor. It's I think I need a bigger stall for the car, so I'll have to wait till I find one of those. We'll get the rear end done and installed in an upcoming video. I got a new fuel pump for it, so that enough to support a mechanical fuel pump, enough to support the nitrous kit also. I got some gauges, a couple of little things I'll be posting in the next video. I need to go ahead and talk to a buddy. We're gonna do some trading. He just wants me to come pick up the car for now, but he's got another 4-door Nova at his place. He's got 2 of them actually, and he's like, just come pick it up. My wife would be thrilled. So I need to go pick it up, and then we'll do some trading later on and figure out everything on it. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all next time. Remember, like, subscribe, comment, and see you next time. Thanks.